Classic cranberry sauce, as easy as it should be. We're using fresh cranberries because we live where they're grown.
And it's cranberry season.
But you can also use frozen. The recipe will be the same. If you're using fresh berries, rinse them well. Zest a large orange. Do it gently so you don't include the white part of the peel. It's bitter. You'll use all the zest. Slice the orange in half and juice it. If you don't have an orange, you can skip the orange zest and use store-bought orange juice. Then strain it. You need a half cup of juice. For our recipe, we're using brown sugar. If you don't have any, just use white. Or you can make brown sugar using molasses. We have a video that shows how. Pack it down firmly. Add the packed brown sugar to a medium-sized pot. Next, add the orange juice, orange zest, cinnamon, and cloves. Bring to a boil, then turn down to low and simmer. Add the cranberries. Stir constantly and cook for about 10 minutes. You'll hear the cranberries popping. If you're using frozen berries, cook for a couple of minutes longer. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.
And give us the thumbs up.
The sauce is thick when ready. As it cools down, it will continue to thicken. Take off the heat and serve immediately or store for later. Cranberry sauce will last in the fridge for about a week and for a few months in the freezer. Enjoy your simple but delicious cranberry sauce. If you liked our cranberry sauce video, you might like this one too.